how to restore or link the Samsung blockchain wallet using the recovery phrase on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen, and from the home screen, swipe up to go into the app screen. Now in here, tap on blockchain wallet. Now by default, the Samsung blockchain wallet is not installed on your device. If you don't have one, you can download it from Play Store, or you can download it from Galaxy Store. So here we can put in Samsung blockchain, and then simply install your Samsung wallet. Once you have installed it, you can simply open it and then tap on the link button. And here it says Samsung blockchain key store, so tap on continued, then continued. Now do not choose create, because that will create a new blockchain key store and wallet. So you want to link it to the wallet that you have previously or your asset in. Here we will put in a pin, so it says set pin, so set the pin that you want to use, and then enter the same pin again to confirm. Okay, after that you can choose to use pin only, or you can want to set your fingerprint so that you can sign in with a fingerprint later on. Now here it asks you to enter the recovery phrase. I have captured down on my device. It is not advised you to take a picture of the phone. You need to write down on a piece of paper to keep it safe. But for ease of retrieving the data, I have captured on my phone. So here the first phrase is order, and next one is oil, next one is boy, and next one is unfold. Then tap on enter. Now you can continue and enter it in. So you need to enter in the 12 word. So finish that, and then tap on the next button. On the next screen, go down and then tap on done. And once your wallet has been successfully linked to your blockchain key store, it will show you the amount or the balance of your wallet up here. And in my wallet, I'm currently have a 0 balance because this is a test wallet, doesn't have anything in it. So just wait for the device to link in your wallet to your blockchain key store. And that's it. So that is how you can restore. This is useful if you are getting a new device, or if you are resetting your phone and you formatted all your data. You can always use the recovery phrase to go back in to your wallet where you already have assets in it. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.